Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to find a Gmail account by phone number. So let's start. Just go to a browser. Here I have Google, and then right here find my account. Then just press enter and search. Here you have find your Gmail sign in Google account. Just click on the first option here, and then you have to write your phone number. So write your phone number here, and then just press next. Here you have to write your first name and optional your last name, and then just press next. So if you check, this says that the account found, but if your account is found, just you have to click here and write your password in this way. So then you can try again and looking for another phone number. Of course, you have to write your phone number that is on your account as well as your name. It has to match, both have to match. So in that way, Google can find your account easily. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.